First up this morning was a good morning's birding. One of the reasons we chose the accommodation that we did is because it was right in the middle of the salt lake, so a useful spot. Good morning. Today we are at the Hala Sultan Tekke, which is a mosque, minaret, mausoleum, ancillary buildings. They were restored with funding from the people of the United States through the Bicommunal Development Program. Hala Sultan Tekke is a significant mosque located near the Larnaca salt lake. It is an important Islamic pilgrimage site, revered for housing the tomb of Haram, who is believed to have been a relative of the Prophet Muhammad. The mosque was constructed in the late 18th century during Ottoman rule, although the site has held religious significance for centuries. Surrounded by palm trees and overlooking the picturesque salt lake, the mosque features traditional Ottoman architecture with a large dome and a slender minaret. The tranquil setting attracts both worshippers and tourists, especially during the migration season when flamingos frequent the salt lake. I'm never one to miss an opportunity for a bit of birding, so we got the lenses out and had a drive around the lakes that surround the mosque. So after a bit of birding, the next point of call today is an aqueduct. It looks really well preserved. In fact, the video will not do it justice, I have to say. The Kamares Aqueduct is a historical structure located just outside Larnaca. Constructed in 1747 under the orders of Ottoman governor Bekir Pasha, it served as a crucial water supply system for the city, transporting water from a nearby spring to Larnaca. The aqueduct features a series of impressive arches, 33 in total, that stretch over a considerable distance, showcasing Ottoman engineering prowess. Built using local limestone, the structure blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Its design reflects a combination of Roman and Ottoman influences, with sturdy stone pillars supporting graceful arches. The aqueduct remained in operation until the 1930s, when modern piping systems rendered it obsolete. Today it stands as a preserved monument, particularly striking when illuminated at night. We spent the rest of the afternoon exploring some of the birding locations around Larnaca. There were some excellent sights and some good bird hides as well, where you could see marsh harrier such as these on the screen now. So that's it for now. Join us next time when we explore more of Larnaca and the surrounding area.